welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I know my little placement looks a little bit different, and that's because today I am going to be doing an office tour, like an official office tour. I don't know if you've seen, but I posted like a YouTube short like a few months ago of my office, and I asked you all if you wanted to see a full office tour, which I was supposed to do but I never got around to. But since it is new year, new me, I decided that I am going to be doing like the full office tour. So I live in an apartment and I have two of the bedrooms. So I have one room that's my bedroom and one room that's my office, and I actually switched the two rooms. So the room that you're going to see now is actually used to be my bedroom, but I decided to make it my office because it has way too many windows in here for it to be my bedroom, and I like my privacy. Okay, so yeah, enough with all the rambling. I'm going to show you my office. All right, so this is just like the outside. Over here is my bedroom, and over here is the office. This is where my old office used to be, and this was my bedroom. But I'm just gonna go in here and give you just like a quick brief overview or whatever of the room really quickly. I might insert some other clips here because the lighting is kind of funky, but this is what it's looking like. I think this works a lot better to be an office than a bedroom, just because I know you can see all these freaking windows. Like my bed used to be over here and it was like facing this window, and I just felt like, and I'm like not even on a high floor, so I felt like all those people over there could see me, and it just really made me insecure about all that. So I just decided to switch. So just jumping right into things here, I have my vanity, and this is like an overview of what the vanity looks like, if you can see it. So I have my desk chair, the vanity, I have my shelf over here, I have my couch, I have just a little coffee table right here, and then I have my desk, which I faced this way instead of facing towards the windows, because it's really odd trying to work with windows in a room like this. So you kind of just have to utilize the things how you can. I think I'm going to close the blinds to do this just so you can see things a little bit better, but I just wanted to give you an overview. So that's that side, and then over here, oh, I'm watching Diera on YouTube. We got my TV up here. It's like a small TV that I have mounted on a shelf, and then I have my just some organization right here, like a little storage thing. And then I have my full length mirror over here, and that's a little space heater. And then this is my closet. So just a cute little overview, but I'm gonna go into detail on everything in just a second. All right, so like I said, going back to my vanity, I got this vanity from Wayfari, and I got this chair. It's like a clear rolly chair and it spins. I got this from Amazon. I'll try to link the links for the vanity and the chair down below, but here I just have like a little mini mirror where I like put on my lashes with some of my jewelry and some of my decor here, and this is just how I organize it. So really, y'all, as far as organization, it's really nothing special. I am not like that girl that has like all this different kind of makeup and it's like organized and 50. No, I just have the stuff that I wear and that I use, and I just put it in these little cubby holes here. So this came with the vanity, and so I just put my lip glosses in here and some little mini perfumes, because I really didn't know what else to put in here, to be honest. And then these are just some ribbons that I use for my hair, but you can do whatever you want. This is the top drawer, and then over here is another top drawer. I like that it has a see-through glass, but I just put like my sunglasses here and some hair clips and some mini perfumes. I'm not gonna go through all these drawers, y'all, but that's what's in this drawer. Over here is like my makeup side. So this is where I keep my makeup, and then going down a little bit further is where I keep my hair products. So, and then all my hot tools are down there. And then over here is like my lashes, and I have like some eyeshadow palettes down here. And then down here are just like my hair products is where I keep them. And so yeah, this is where I record my YouTube videos when I do my hair videos. This is a phone holder, so I can put my phone here if I need it. Yeah, if I need any content for my for, I don't know, TikTok, I guess. I don't really post on TikTok like that though, so whatever. If I did, that's where it would be, or I take pictures. This is my little shelf right here. I love the shelf. I got this from IKEA. I think it was $99. I just keep some little not even knickknacks, but yeah, I have my backpack that I use. I have a lot of perfumes that I keep, not all of them, but some of my perfumes here. I got this little spinny moon thing from Eunice actually, and it has my channel name on it, so I thought that was cute. And I have my Coach bag and an empty shelf that I need to do something with, and my freaking trash can is over here. This is my couch. I got this couch from Target online. I'll try to find the link and link it below if it's still there, if I can. But the couch is from Target. The lamp is from, I got that lamp a while ago, from Burlington. And then all the pillows here, I actually just recently got these three, like these two pillows and this. I got these from Marshall's because it's around Valentine's Day and they had out new Valentine's products. So I just, you know, my office theme is pink and white, so it went with it. And then I got these pillow covers, I believe from Amazon. And then here is my acrylic coffee table. I've got this from Amazon, and I just have a candle on top, and this pink fuzzy rug I also got from Amazon. Underneath it, I just keep the hair that I'm going to be working on next. So these are three like different companies or brands that I'm working with for hair videos. So whenever it's time for me to record, I'm just gonna grab one, record it or whatever. I used to keep it in my room, but I decided to keep it in here since this is where I actually record. It makes more sense. So this is new. At first there wasn't anything at all in this corner, and I remember I had this table and it was like in a storage closet out in the front, and I just decided to put it in my room. So I think I want to put like a pampas grass, maybe get like a vase with pampas grass to go up here. And then up here I have my sign that says "You're like really pretty." Love that. Got that from Shein. And these are just some gifts that I got to give to my friends for Christmas that, you know, it's a little bit past Christmas, but I haven't seen them yet, so I got to give that to them. So this is my desk right here. I do work from home, so the monitors came from my job, and the laptop that you'll see over there came from my job. I do have to go to the office like twice a week, but mostly I'm from home. I really hate how you can see those wires right there, but I haven't really figured out another way to like organize all that. So for now, that's what it's gonna look like. And so I just got this pink organizer, like this pink organizer cart. This right here came from Shein. And so I just keep like important papers and like electronic equipment, keep my keys in here, things like that. And then this is just like my actual desk area. I have my keyboard, have my work laptop, and then I have my daily affirmations that I try to look at every day, and then I also just have my desk chair. This is actually a gift from my parents for Christmas one year, the chair. Let me back out. This is a Christmas gift from my parents, so I don't know where that came from. And then this is my squiggly mirror. Got this from Amazon. Got this rug from Amazon. And this is my little space heater because all these windows here make this room very, very cold. So I have to constantly like keep like, or it's like, it depends on the weather. So if it's winter, like right now it's winter, as you can see, we have like a little bit of snow on the ground. It's cold in here, but in the summer it's hot in here. So it just fluctuates or whatever. But yeah, I got this mirror from Amazon. I really love it. It's like it's a velvety texture kind of. It's not like a plain like cloth or anything. It's actually velvet, and it comes with this brush that they give you because like it picks up hair and really easily. So there's that. And then this is the closet that came in this room. So this isn't my only closet. I have another closet in my bedroom, but I'll show you what's in here. In this closet, I really just keep purses. So I have my bags in here. So I have like Coach, Telfar, whatever. I kind of try to organize it. I have Marc Jacobs and Kate Spade back there, and then some more Coach stuff right here. And then these are like my two-piece sets. So just, these are like summer clothes though. All these summery two-piece sets, and then I just have some storage there. And then over here are my wintry two-piece sets. So my sweatsuits. I love White Fox. So whenever you see me in like these sweats that look like this, I get them from this brand called White Fox because they have really, I don't know, it's just a really good quality. They're thick to me, and the stuff is really cute. So I'll link White Fox below if you're interested. And then I just have a couple of shoes down here, a few sneakers. And then over here are my shorts two-piece sets. So the short sets of that. And then I have Telfar bags up there. And then behind here, oh, This is my jewelry organizer. So the doors in this apartment are very tall. So I don't know if you could tell, but they're very tall and I am very short. This thing used to hang on a shorter door, but since our doors are so tall, it has to hang up here. I'm trying to open it. So this is just all the jewelry in here, and mind you, ain't none of this jewelry real, it's all fake. So I'm not a walking lick. This is all fake costume jewelry. These pearls came from Forever 21, all right? So what is this? This is Target. Probably came from Target. So this is just all the little things that I wear occasionally. And then behind here, it's kind of messy back here, but I have my ring light. Kind of embarrassing. I'm sorry the lighting is awful too, but my dresses back here. I keep my linen up there, and yeah. So that is this corner. Like I said, this is my TV right here, and it's on this shelf. Cause the TV is not that big. I want to say this is like a 22-inch TV or something like that. Maybe a 30-inch, but it's not that big. And I just got my boyfriend to put up this shelf for me because I tried by myself and it did not work. But I got this shelf from Amazon, and lucky for me that the TV was light enough to fit on this shelf, because I didn't want to mount the TV in here because, like I said, we're renting this place. It's an apartment. And so, yeah, I didn't want to mount another TV. So I have that. And then this is just like my cup, my headphones. I bought a CD player, y'all. Look. So these are the CDs that I used to play like when I was back in high school. Ooh, I'm showing my age. Ooh. Whatever. When I was like in school or whatever. And I used to like mix CDs. And I was just like got the urge to listen to some of my old CDs. So I bought me this CD player from Amazon. And so, yeah, no, I've just been listening to it. I've been loving it. And then this is just what I keep in these drawers. Just like this. Here's some of those CDs that I just love going through. All of these. I don't know. It's super fun to me. And then they just get junkier and junkier. We're gonna forget about that. But yeah, and then I just have my laptop and my iPad. And this is pretty much it for my office. It's really not too much to it. I got these pictures up here from Shein. Actually, these two came with that over there. So they were like a triple set or whatever. So I just spread them apart or whatever. And then these pictures over here, I got from Amazon. It came in like a 6 set, and I have some more in like my actual bedroom. But yeah, so when you walk out, this is what it looks like. I have more of those pictures up here, but I have like my little to-do list over here, and then just like my little, my to-do dry erase board over here, and then I have just a little table with my markers on it. But that is pretty much it. So this was my office. I don't know if y'all ever want to see like my bedroom or my bathroom. I don't know. It's small. If you do, let me know. Like I said, this is definitely something new for me. Coming here rambling to you all about something other than hair for once. Oh my gosh, I have a video that's not about hair. You should be very proud of me because I am proud of myself. But yeah, anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, that's it. Adios till next time.